Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala Syed al-Anbiya wal Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic for today's video is short biography of Syedna Zubair bin Al-Awaam radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Syedna Zubair bin Al-Awaam was born in the year 591 in the city of Makkah. He was a companion of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and a close relative of his, being the relative of his wife Sayyida Khadija bint Khuwailid. Syedna Zubair grew up in a highly respected and noble family known for their piety and righteousness. His father Al-Awaam bin Khuwailid was a wealthy and influential figure in Medina. Syedna Zubair was one of the early converts to the faith. He had a strong belief in the message of Islam and dedicated himself to spread its message. Syedna Zubair participated in early Islamic battles and played a significant role in the expedition of Tabuk. He demonstrated his courage and bravery in various battles, earning him a reputation as a skilled and valiant warrior. After the demise of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Syedna Zubair continued to serve for the cause of Islam under caliphs. He played a pivotal role in the political and military affairs of the Muslim community and was known for his impeccable moral character and wisdom. He passed away in the year 656 and was buried in Jannatul Baqi cemetery in Medina al-Munawwara. Syedna Zubair is remembered as a dedicated and loyal companion of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, known for his bravery, piety and contribution to the early development of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.